Hi guys, here I am at Home Goods. I'm so excited. Let's take a look at what they have. I love it. Okay, so you see this right here, guys. Isn't that beautiful? That's $12.99. And I don't even dare touch that tray. That display tray right there. Lord, I can't see the price, guys, because it's too big. Then we come down here. We're going to see this. This is a pretty box, guys. Look at this. I see the detail to that. This doesn't have a price, guys, but it's beautiful. Then this is like a cube, $16, but over here there's a damage, guys. And look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I think I might have shown this to you before. That's beautiful. That's Tommy Bahama, $19.99. And they have this book, Behind the Roadway. That was reduced to $15, guys. And look at this, another one of those boxes. So these are hand done, guys. Look at the detail. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. $5.99. I'm loving that. So I guess this one is the same thing. It's just bigger. So if this is $5.99, I'm not sure what that is. Isn't that gorgeous? So then look at this vase. Guys, this vase is gorgeous. Okay. Let's see if I can turn this over. I don't think so, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So then they have this like stool. And that is made in Poland. Oh, wow. That's made in Poland. And that is $29.99, guys. And that's not on sale. It's called Seaside Escape World Traveler. Okay. Then they have this vase right here, guys. Let's see. That is $49.99, and that is not on clearance, guys. Almost looks like the same set. I think it is. So then look at this. Look at this wall decor. That's cast iron. That is gorgeous. $19.99, guys. Then they have this. Look at this. It has the Eiffel Tower. You see that, guys? Hanging off of it. There's the candle inside. Okay. With the Eiffel Tower in this glass. That's $18 reduced. European countryside. That is so pretty. And then look at this topiary, guys. This is $16.99. Then that lantern over there, guys, with the chicken wire around it, that's $14.99. And then this dish here, it's also European. This was reduced to $15, guys. I'm not sure. I don't dare lift that, guys. But this is what it looks like. Very unusual, this top. I like that. Okay, guys, so look at this. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is beautiful. Okay, this is ceramic, and it's like in the metallic gray. It's $9.99. And here's another one of those canisters, guys. Okay, so they have two of those, and here's another one of those huge display platters. Then they have this. This is like a tiny vase. That's $16.99, guys. Okay, gotta be careful with that. Then they have this stone. That's $16.99. And look at the hourglass, guys. I forgot how much that was. Let me see. That's $29.99. I have another one up here. Then they have this craft, a unique space. Tamara Manus, and that one is $14.99, guys. Let me just open that up so it doesn't fall. Then you have this clock over here, London, and that is $24.99. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, guys, so then down here you have this painting. I'm not sure how much this is. Let me see if I can get to it. $24.99, guys. And that comes on that easel. Then you have this display piece. And I'm not sure how much that is. That's $19.99, guys. That's absolutely beautiful. Okay. Then we have this. Look at this. This is, oh my God, this is cast iron. This is made in India. And that's $24.99. So I'm loving this globe, guys. So this is also handcrafted in India. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. It's a little loose over here. So that's $12.99. And here's the bigger one. I don't dare touch that, guys. It's too high for me. So this is made in Brazil. Let me see. And the price is $16.99. And then look at these bowls, guys. I absolutely love these bowls. Look at them. So I'm not sure if they're sold individually because they're not attached. But this one here is $6. Aren't they beautiful, guys? I love those. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, guys, so this is $29.99 and this is made in Indonesia. I'm absolutely loving this stuff. Look at this. So then they have this. Looks like a jewelry box, guys. Let's see. Tommy Bahama. And that is $16.99. Then they have another one right here. Okay. So that goes up here. So this one is the same. This one is a bigger one. And oh man, you gotta lift this up. Okay, that's $19.99 for that one. Okay, so if you come over here, guys, I don't know what this wooden block is. So the wooden block is $24.99 and it has these openings along the top. That's pretty neat. I like that. Then you have this piece here. Cedar Wood Roots Collection. $29.99 for that piece. Then guys, if you come over here, look at that big, oh my goodness, look at this. This is African. This is made in Africa, and what is the price? $49.99. If you see how huge that is, guys, let me see if I can stand back. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then here's that whale. That's $19.99. Then you have another one of those pieces over there, guys, but this has the three holes, and this one is $12.99. So the London clock, $24.99. And I don't dare touch this tray back here, guys. I can't get to that price. So here they have another decorating book. Let me see if I can get to the price of this. $9.99. Look at the detail to this. This is made in Indonesia. So the bigger one is $14.99, and then the smaller one is $7.99. Guys, that's so gorgeous. And look at these baskets. Oh my God, it's like breathtaking. $49.99 for this big one, and then the smaller one, let me see, $39.99. Then they have some other stuff back there I would love to pull out, guys, but I can't. This, guys, look at the detail. Look at the detail to this. Oh my goodness, that's breathtaking. That's $59.99 for that. Here's another one of those whales, and here's a lantern, guys. So then they have these boxes. I don't know, like trinket boxes, jewelry boxes. $14.99. Okay, and then this blue tray right here. That one is made in the Philippines, handcrafted in the Philippines, and that is $19.99. Look at the size of that. That's huge. And you have these pots right here. So the smaller one of the two. Let's see if I can get the price. I can't, let's see. I can't get the price to that one. Aren't they gorgeous? You have this piece right here. This decor piece. Let me see if I can see a price on the other side. No, and it's very heavy. I can't lift it. So here looks like a board, a headboard, and it looks hand done. And I'm not seeing a price on that. So here you have this vase, guys. Look at that vase. That's gorgeous, but I can't lift it up to get you a price. But this one here is reduced to $22. Isn't that beautiful? That one is hand woven. And look at this pot. This one is made of tin. Look at the size of this, guys. $39.99. Then here looks like the divider. This divider wall piece here. This is gorgeous. This matches the headstand, guys. I don't see the tag. It's absolutely beautiful. So here's the headboard, and then here is the dividing like wall. I'm loving that set. And then here are the planters. Guys, these planters are gorgeous. So I'm not really seeing a price. Oh man, they're on the bottom. Let me see. So that is $39.99. That's for the bigger one. So the smaller one is $24.99. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And then look at this tin. Oh my goodness, this is $18. Look at that. Then you have this decor piece here. This is $9.99. Look at this vase, guys. Oh my God, look at this thing. I don't know which to touch first. Okay, so this vase is $19.99, guys. And then look at this tray. Is this not like bling? It screams bling. Oh my goodness, it's made in India. Let me see if I can get a price. That's $14.99. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that conch on the bottom there. Then you have the conch bookends. Guys, you have conch bookends, $12.99 each. And then this big humongous one here is $29.99. And then look at this anchor. Oh my God, I love that. $14.99. So the smaller conch here, isn't that beautiful? That's $12.99. And look at this big lantern, $135, guys. Look at it. That is huge. And look at the size of that conch. Oh my goodness. Guys, I don't know. $29.99. I'm surprised I can get the price to that, guys. And then you have this vase here. And look at the seahorses. Guys, look at the seahorses. I love seahorses. So these wall seahorses, these decor pieces, are $29.99, guys. Look at them. And then here's some more of those whales. And look at the starfish. Let's see how much the starfish is. Okay. They're made in the Philippines and they're $29.99. And then look at this. I'm loving that. Look at that. That is so nice. This is made in India. And they're $39.99. Oh my God. I get out of breath, guys. Then look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Oh my God, European seaside. And I don't know the price to that. Then I don't know if this is part of something. And then this looks like a little birdhouse. Look at the color of that, guys. That's gorgeous. So this, I don't see a price on it either. Okay, that's reduced to $8. Then you have this like water pitcher. Isn't that beautiful? That's hand done. European seaside. And that is $29.99. And I don't dare pick that one up, guys, but that's absolutely gorgeous. Then if you come over here, this platter is reduced to $18. And that is European countryside. And this is a Lazy Susan, guys. So this one is $24.99. So this is what's in here. Oh, look at the little tea set. That is so beautiful. Gray's teaware. $8. That's gorgeous. And then this here is like a pedestal. $6. Look at the detail on that. I love that. Then you have like a two-tier, like what, for certain bananas and fruits. That's $14.99, guys, for that. Then this here, look at this, $22. Absolutely gorgeous. And that is European countryside. Then you have this, it's made in Portugal. What is it? I don't know if that's a vase. Okay, look at it. Then my favorite, look at this. Oh my goodness, that's $16.99. Then you have these throws, guys. These are also European. They were reduced to $22. So you have this color, and this one. These are more fleece. These are more like, I don't know, like wool, and this is more hand knit. Then you have that, and then you have that. That seashell vase, I think it is. And I don't dare move. Let me see. I don't dare lift that, guys. And then you have this. This is a roasting dish, and there's some more platters, guys. So look at this one. So this big humongous bowl, it's also European countryside. That's $89, guys. Look how huge that is. So then you have this stone here. Isn't that pretty? That's $19.99. And then these are little baseballs. These are $4.99. Isn't that cute? And these are candle holders, guys. So there's 2 of them. So these will reduce to $18. And they're European. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? Look at them. 2 different kind. Then you have one of these, and look at this. This one, that's too heavy, guys. So let me show you this. These are baking cups. Isn't that pretty? These are $8.99, and then this over here is $99. I'm pretty sure that's a vase. I can't climb up there to check, guys. Guys, I'm absolutely loving these baskets. So these are crafted in Indonesia, and these guys are $16.99. Look at the size of them. Then you have some more vase here. This one here is made in Spain. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Let me see if I can get a price. I don't see a price on that. That is gorgeous. Then over here you have some, guys, you have that whole section over here. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is $49.99, and this and this and this and this. Guys, oh man, I'm just trying to be funny. Oh my God, I can get crazy in this store. $29.99 for that. And then look at this mirror. Let me see if I can get a price from the back. Oh, it's reduced. $18. Sorry, guys, I'm like looking at a million things at once. Look at the bottom. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't even dare touch that, guys. Then this basket right here is $49.99. Then you have those and those. Look at him. Isn't that cute? Okay, guys, he's reduced to $7. Is that not the cutest face you've ever seen? Then this here, let's see what's on the bottom. $19.99. Isn't that beautiful? Then you have this. Guys, this is made. This is Nicole Miller. Looks like paper mache. So let's see. $16.99. And that whale is like all over the place, guys. This piece here, isn't that beautiful? This piece here, guys, is $15. Then you have that humongous, look at it. Look at the size of that thing. That's $39.99. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to check out their home decor, guys. Everything in here is gorgeous. I'll talk to you in the next video.